Alright guys, this is our second set of notes for this unit. It's graphing linear inequalities in two variables on the coordinate plane. And then we also want to be able to solve real world problems involving inequalities in two variables. Alright, so we know how to solve these. 2x greater than or equal to negative 8, x is greater than or equal to negative 4. We know how to draw that on a number line. We've practiced this a ton. Closed circle, everything to the right. We also know how to plug in and find a solution set. So by the way, this is going to be the one I'm going to check in class. We also know how to plug in and find a solution set, given the replacement set. So is 5 plus 7 less than 11? No. Is negative 7 plus 3 less than 11? Yes. Is 4 plus 4 less than 11? Yes. Is negative 6 plus negative 2 less than 11? Yes. So, that's our answer. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on that. You can do this on your own time. So we're going to go ahead and do that one as well. Where it really comes down to is, and I'm going to skip all the way to this slide right here, is how we graph an inequality on our paper. And so we know how to graph the inequality y is equal to 2x minus 3. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, because we've been doing that for a while. And we would draw a solid line if it was equal. Since this says less than or equal to, we're going to go ahead and draw a solid line. Now, here's how we do inequalities. Since it's less than or equal to, we have to check a point. And I always say check 0, 0. And so when I put 0 is less than or equal to 2 times 0 minus 3, I get 0 is less than or equal to negative 3. Is that true? Well, no, it's not true. So 0, 0 is not part of our answer. And so we shade this way. Okay? But the cool thing is, our calculator will actually do this. And that's where I want to get into today and where we're going to pick up tomorrow in class. And so we're going to switch all the way to here. And we'll fill in this tomorrow in class. I'm trying to keep this note set short and sweet for you guys. So we'll finish this and we'll finish filling this in tomorrow. What I really want to get into is I want to talk about how we use the calculator. So what we're going to do is we're going to click y equals, and I'm going to do this with you while we go. And you enter the equation, or the inequality, just like you would in an equation. So we're going to go to y equals, and we're going to do the one that's on the bottom thing down here. So we're going to go y is equal to negative x plus 1. Now, in order to make this an inequality, we're actually going to click the left arrow until the symbol on the far left is flashing. So see, now it's flashing. If it's greater or greater than or equal to, we're going to hit enter until we see this triangle that's going up, that's shaded in. If it's less than or equal to, we're going to hit enter until the triangle is down or shaded in. So since our question is less than or equal to, we're going to go ahead and hit it one more time. We're going to have that shading going on. And then we're going to click graph. And so you can see when I do that, I get the graph of the inequality. Okay? So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to put it at +1, and it's a negative slope, and so this is everything that's shaded in. And so that's how we practice our inequality. Tomorrow in class, you're going to learn how to do systems that way. But we also have to understand how we solve real-world problems. And I'm actually going to put this on hold until the next time we meet. So tomorrow when you come into class, you need to be ready to talk about how we solve equations using the calculator, and we need to talk about how you solve inequalities using the calculator. And so we're gonna hit this all hard tomorrow in class. We're gonna learn how to solve equations and inequalities using the calculator. Hopefully you watch both videos, come to class with lots of questions, and be ready to use the calculator in class.